3 quick tips to grow your sales: increase visibility, improve conversion, and inspire trust. You do these 3 things, you will grow your sales exponentially. How do you increase visibility? The idea is to improve your presence across all channels of distribution so that the customers can find you. There are multiple ways to increase your visibility. For example, you can go on all social medias, have a Facebook page, have an Instagram page, have an Instagram profile, be on Pinterest, Snapchat, whatever social medias there are where you think your customers will be, and show that you're there to improve your visibility. Then you can be on video channels such as YouTube, TikTok. All these places are where you can create short videos on how to use your product or how a service will benefit the customer. Things that explain your product or service is great for video platforms. And finally, you can be on local classified platforms such as NearBuy, Craigslist, whatever other platform there is in your country, in your region. You can use that in order to gain visibility. So combine all of these platforms to ensure that wherever the customer looks for you, you will be there for them. How do you improve conversion? You are getting all that visibility in those eyeballs, but they're not converting. Think about all the reasons that people are not converting or people are not buying from you. Look at your landing page, look at your sales page, look at your product, look at your value proposition, look at how you're positioning and how you're pitching your product in order to constantly keep improving your conversion. So track conversion, and the best way to grow conversion is make incremental and smaller increment changes. For example, even for my YouTube channel right now, I keep making small improvements in every video, so that what happens is after 100, 200, 500,000 videos, I am the result of those constant improvements. So the conversion rate improves the best way by taking smaller gradual improvements and making smaller changes that will benefit the customer, that will benefit the user of your product or services. How do you inspire trust with customers? Customers need to trust you in order to make the purchase from you for whatever product or service you're selling. Without trust, there can be no transaction, and that is what customers are always looking for. So how can you improve or inspire trust with your customers? The first is the freemium model. Freemium model is the most commonly used model to inspire trust nowadays. You offer your product or service or some component or some part of it or for some duration for free, so that the customer can use it, experience it, feel it, and see that they are getting what the company is advertising or what you're advertising. That freemium model will inspire trust and generate multiple users for you, right? So the second way to inspire trust is social proof. Social proof is our way of knowing what is good or what for bad by listening to other people that have tried to use the product or service. The social proof that you generate will give you the 3 R's: review, rating, and referrals. Reviews will help other people know what is good or what is bad about the product. The ratings will help people understand in general what is the product outlook like and where does the product stand. And finally, referrals. Referrals will get you other qualified sales where the person who's referring to their person or friends or family will already pre-qualify the sale by saying this is a great product or service and you must buy. So your trust can be built by using the freemium model and by using the 3 R's to generate the social proof. So in general, no matter what product or service you're selling, no matter what distribution source you're using, no matter what country you're in, the idea will always remain the same. Increase the number of customers or number of places or the ways a customer can find you, and increase the visibility, get more eyeballs to your product or service. Once you're getting those eyeballs, once you're getting those customers, work on improve conversion, find more ways to make people convert, start people to buy. Ask them, get feedback from them, and understand and start making smaller gradual changes so you improve your conversion of those customers. And finally, to close the deal, to seal the deal, and to finally make the sale, build trust and establish trust by giving them freemium model, by showing them the reviews, the social proof, the testimonials, and all of that will make them confident about having to deal with you, your product, your service, your brand, your company, so your sales can grow exponentially. I hope you like these quick tips on how to grow your sales. If you'd like to see similar videos, you can subscribe down below, and you can check out my other courses on sales that are very comprehensive, contain multiple hours of content on sales, leadership, management, and everything else. And if you'd like to see more content, I look forward to seeing you in my videos or my courses. Thank you.